here.
Father Christmas.
Santa is in town.
Are you new to this village?
I'm new. I want to show you people love. This is for you.
So you came to this village. Father Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Oh, Merry Christmas. Santa loves you, okay? So I love this Christmas. That boy.
Merry Christmas to you, Father
Merry
Christmas.
Christmas.
You know, with what happened to the other Father Christmas last year, we thought we were not going to see anyone in this year.
Yeah, well, I'm here right now to show you guys love.
It's a good thing, though. You know, my children have been disturbing me. How are we going to see Father Christmas this year? I told them I don't know.
That's why I came to the village to show you guys love.
It's a good thing, now. You know, as I've seen you now, let me just show you small love. You know, as you are showing love to us, we too will show you love too. Just
don't
5,000.
take gifts. We give out gifts.
What do I know? Just take it. It's a token from me to you. We are in season of love. Just take it.
So.
What do I know? Just take it.
Stand up, boy.
Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Bye bye.
Wow.
Ọnwa December no lubego. Ọnwa December no lubego. Ọnwa December no lubego.
NinjaPhoenix.com.
Ọnwa December no lu my brother. Ọnwa eje nwangole. Ọnwa December no lubego. Ọnwa December. Ọnwa December no lubego. Otuto de leta. Ọnwa December no lubego. Amuru Jesus. Ọnwa December no lubego. Mwosi aro. Ọnwa December no lubego. Iko dike apolo. Ọnwa December no lubego. Ọnwa December. Ọnwa December no lubego. Ọnwa eje nwangole.
Wait. Okay.
For the Christmas cannot play with you guys again. This is festive period, no time for fun. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, and Merry Christmas, no violence. Let me have this one now. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
Wait, can you come here? Wait.
This man no be Father.
How many Father Christmas already can you go?
Okay, phone.
Where you give? Where the gift? Father Christmas dey give money. Father Christmas dey share money. Get up from there. They don't dey share money. Come on.
Father Christmas is about to go home. I came, I saw, and I conquered.
Father Christmas.
I want to go back to where I came from.
Sorry. They don't close border. They don't close border. The seaport though, nothing they work. Everywhere they close. If you just stay with us for this place now, I say, you enjoy it. You enjoy it, don't worry.
For how long?
You enjoy it. Just 2 months. 2 months, you will not die. You enjoy it. Can't you see I'm fresh? You'll be fresh too.
I think I didn't come here.
It's not like that. My man, come.
Father Christmas. On the 6th of January, I'm still ready for Christmas. By the way, you will be giving me 8,000 naira every day for this bank.
It's too much now. It's too much.
Will you talk normal?
Collect 4,000. I'll give you 4,000 for the bag.